Hello everyone, this is Yang from Modelworks Direct. On today's video, we have a custom aircraft model of the Piper P-24 Comanche by Piper aircraft. And now we will demonstrate to you on how we fabricated this single-engine aircraft. The first step in any wooden desktop model is to cut out the specific shape and size of the scaled aircraft. Moreover, to get the correct proportions, the original blueprints of the plane was used as a reference to ensure every detail is on spot. Right after the carving, the next process is the putty stage, where a grayish paste or paint is applied to ensure that the model can endure the test of time. Simply because the wood is a very imperfect material, and each section of wood has different grains and have holes, gaps, and unwanted residues. Once the model is pre-assembled, glued, and potted, a primer paint will be applied to get the shiny metal look on the custom wooden scale model. Moving to the next step, we have the artist stage, where the painting process of the Piper Comanche will happen. Basically, we ask our clients to send a specific image of the airplane, car, or ship with different angles to use as a reference for our artists and to guarantee an almost perfect painting replication. As you notice, the artist will do a different preparations and will use several materials such as stencils and masking tapes to copy the details of the aircraft. The painting details of the Piper Comanche was a little bit complicated. However, with the experience of the artist handling various aircraft for over 15 years, looks very easy. These custom desktop models are 100% handcrafted and built from photos, blueprints, and customers' specifications. These models are made from scratch, from wood, and composite materials like resin, plastics, metals, and glass. If you were watching closely, the artist carefully paints the airplane model by the use of airbrush and masking tapes to cover the specific parts. If you are wondering for a large-scale model exceeding to 36 inches, Most of our builds are casted from fiberglass for portability and durability. But if you want a wooden made, we will be glad to do it for you. The final step of this process is where the artist will use a paint pen to create a lined representation of the ailerons, elevators, flaps, stabilizers, landing gear, and egress doors. Next to the painting process, a scale model is not complete without its antenna, beacons, GPS, and other smaller parts protruding outside of the airplane. Here at Modelworks, we ensure that most of these details will be included to create a real miniature size of the aircraft. As you can see on the video, the rigging artist will place the correct position of these exterior details based on photos, drawings, and blueprints, then painted it with the correct colors for each. We are now on the last step of fabricating process of this aircraft desktop model, where here a final coating will be applied to protect the desktop model from external factors like corrosion and minor scratches. And now we're done with the whole custom building process of this Piper P-24 Comanche. Let's now watch the final product. Thank you for staying until this part of the video. I hope you've enjoyed watching the whole fabrication process. For more videos on how we make our custom wooden scale models, all you have to do is just browse our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Comment what you think to help us develop and improve our craft. It can be good or bad, we can take it. Subscribe and ring the bell button to get an update on every video that we post. Thank you for watching. This is Yang from Modelworks Direct. If you can think it, we can build it. Modelworks Direct. Bye!